What the? Guys! Hachi has been caught.
What?
No way!
So what to do next?
I don't know.
I think we really need to help them.
But we only have pistol, bro. That's a suicide.
I know one man that can help us. He has big guns, explosive, C4, and everything. Hey Kay, we need your help.
I'm listening.
Hachi has been caught. We have to help them when they're gonna be transported to the prison. Damn!
What did he say to you?
I don't know, man. Let's do what we can do best.
She's praying to a God and won't talk back. Her faith is dying, the tears are signs she's going off track. Praying to a God and won't talk back. Down on her knees here, praying to a God and won't talk back. Hey. I won't believe that the devil had a dress on. So she's out of the town tonight, she got her best on. Daddy believed that the needle was a highway. So she powders her nose, she just looking for the right shape. It gets hard to feel friction underwater. She's breaking down, tearing at the border. Too deep to save herself, she takes a pill that seems to help. Close her eyes and picture standing at the altar. Talk back. Her faith is dying, the tears are signs she's going off track. Pray to a God and won't talk back. Down on her knees and pray to a God and won't talk back.
Yo, MGen jalan. Siap ya, bye. 3, 2, 1, go. Langsung cabut. Terus. Oke, 1 ya. Ya, setengah masuk. Bagas masuk gas. Ih, cakep banget. Wah, gila, nir banget. Nir miss banget, cu.
Hatchie has been caught. Kok dicatat. Hatchie has been caught. We have to help them when they gonna be transplanted. Long. Hatchie has been caught. We have to help them when they gonna be transplanted. Susah banget anjing ini.